the cloud, and also who is a host? Who is the host, Mataji?
I'm the co-host, Mataji. So
Yeah. I think I am a host, Mataji.
You want to do live, Mataji? You are doing?
No, you do, Mataji.
Okay.
Anybody.
Okay, I'm claiming the host and I'm starting the live, Mataji. Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Mihika.
Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda.
Hare Krishna, kids.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Rishikesh.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Hare Krishna welcome to the Damodar Kids program today. And we are going to start our session, okay, by saying Guru Pranam mantra all together, okay. Om Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Shesha Shunyavadi Paschatareshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktivinoda
Mukunda. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Okay, Mukunda. Sing.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, Mukunda first, and then we'll see who want to sing. Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji. Me, Vrinda.
Vrinda, yes, Vrinda. Sing.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Me, Mataji, please.
Yeah, who is this?
Ayan.
Ayan, okay, Ayan, sing.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Ayan.
Mataji.
Yeah, you can say. Who is this?
Subhadra.
Subhadra, yes, please sing.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Subhadra. Who else wants to sing?
Mataji. Me.
Yeah. I cannot hear.
Mataji.
Who is this?
Vrinda.
Okay.
Ramanish.
Monish. Okay, Monish. You sing first.
Ramanish, go ahead. Ramanish.
Okay, Ramanish. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Ramanish. Thank you so much.
Vrinda.
Yeah, Balavrinda, you can sing.
Me baby. Mataji.
Yeah, Balavrinda, you can sing. Then Mihika.
Okay, Vrinda.
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Thank you so much, Vrinda. Yes, Mihika, you can sing.
Hare Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Krishna
Mata
Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama
Ram Rama.
Thank you, Meka.
Krishna Mata Nishi Leela.
Sri Leela, yes, please sing.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Thank you, Sri Leela. Okay, Vaishnavi, yes, please sing.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Is there anybody else who didn't sing yet? Okay, Karnav, yes, please sing.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare.
Thank you, Arnav. Okay, anybody else who didn't sing yet? Ridhika, yes, please sing. Ridhika, yes, sing.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mata.
Thank you, Ridhika. Yes, Janvi. Janvi, yes, sing, please.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you so much, Janvi. Anybody else who didn't sing yet?
Miss Satvik.
Okay, Satvik, yes. Satvik, please sing.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare. Thank you, Bharani.
Thank you, Satvik. Okay, so I hope everybody sang. So now we are going to start our class, okay? So there is a beautiful pastime of Krishna with his teacher actually, and how he backed his son, his teacher's son actually. We'll see how he do this Leela today, okay? So what happened that Vasudev actually, Krishna's father, he called for his family.
Mataji.
See your screen.
You cannot see my screen?
Screen is there, Mataji, but it's still on the first one only. It's not moving.
Oh,
Can you
really?
click on that, the one
Yes,
which we
Mataji.
needed? Or go and I mean, like,
Oh,
stop
Mataji,
and again
I-
you start it.
I am doing this like, I don't know like why it is not like.
Oh, now we are on Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Okay, let me see. Now you can see?
Yes, now perfect.
Okay. So
Yes,
let me
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
okay, Mataji. Wait. Okay, now you can see the picture?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so we will see that how actually Krishna brings back the son of his teacher. You can see his teacher, and you can see beautiful Krishna Balram. They are actually, they are actually in the school, and they are actually getting taught by his teacher. And you can see nice play like mridanga, and there is tabla, and there is harmonium. So many things. We'll see what are these in this pastime today. Okay. So Vasudev, the father of Krishna, he called for a family priest, okay, and his name was Gargamuni, and many brahmanas to the sacred thread ceremony of Krishna and Balram. So he wanted to do the ceremony for Krishna and Balram, thread ceremony. so that these boys actually will go to the Gurukul, and they will get some teachings from his teacher, and so many things are there. Okay, so when the boys had been born, Vasudev had been in prison. So actually Vasudev actually wanted all these things before, but we all know that how Kamsa actually he actually trapped Vasudev and Devaki in the prison, right? So he didn't get the chance to do all these ceremonies with Krishna and Balram. Okay, so with Krishna, what happened? We know that he took to Krishna to Nandgaon with Yashoda and Nand Baba, right? He was staying with Yashoda and Nand Baba, and then he came back, and then when he came back, he killed Krishna killed Kamsa, and now Vasudev is we can see that Vasudev and Devaki, they are actually free from the prison. They are staying with Krishna, and now they are doing all the ceremonies which they actually wanted to do before, but now they are doing because now they are free. Okay, and they are staying with Krishna. And then what he did, he not been able to give cows and charities to the Brahmanas, so he is doing it now actually. So now he was very happy to give give away thousands of cows, silk clothes, ornaments to the Brahmin priest. So actually before, what used to happen, that any ceremonies, what they used to give, the gifts actually, like, you know, when we do our birthday parties or we do any kind of programs in our house, what we do, we are used to give some prasad, or we used to give some gifts actually. So similarly, earlier age also, if there is some ceremonies, he used to give gifts, but these gifts are not like small gifts. These are like big gifts, like kind of like cows. They used to donate cows to the Brahmanas, nice clothes and nice ornaments. Okay, so whatever they have, they used to give. Okay, so then after this, the two boys were sent to Sandipa Muni's Gurukul school. So you can see here Sandipa Muni's picture. And two boys, Krishna and Balram, they are actually learning from Sandipa Muni. Okay. And this, what was the name of the school? Sandipa Muni Gurukul School in Ujjain for 64 days. So they were staying for 64 days, and they were getting all the classes of many things. We will see here what they actually what teaching they got from there. And each day Krishna Balram sat in the class and learned from their teacher, and by night time they knew everything very well. So like you all, right, you all used to sit in the class and you also used to learn from your teacher very well. You all kids are so nice that you always learn very nicely with your teacher, right? So similarly, Krishna and Balram also, like they were also very nice kids, and they were also getting taught by Sandipa Muni. And first they learn how to sing. Now we will see what they are going to, all the teaching what they are going to learn. So first they learn how to sing and to make up lovely songs. Okay, how to play mridanga and other drums, as well as all kind of musical instrument with strings like the veena, sitar and tambura. So here you can see nice veena, sitar is there, and you can see here there is nice flutes also, harmonium also, tabla also. So they actually learn all kind of playing all kind of these instruments, and they also learn how to make lovely songs and how to sing nicely. Okay, and they also learn how to ring out different tunes from water pots by putting different amounts of water in many pots. Okay, so this is also like so beautiful. Like we can try actually. You all can try. You can put some water pots and you can put some water and you can play that, and you will know that how this like sound will come. Then they learn to dance to all kinds of music and songs. So also they learn to write dramas and how to paint. Okay, so first they used to, what they did, they learned singing, they learned playing all the instruments, they learned playing all kind of tunes in like some water pots, and then they learned some dance also, and then they learned to write dramas and how to paint, and dots on their forehead and cheeks. Okay, can you all mute yourself because there is some voice coming. Krishna, can you all mute yourself, please?
I am
Hare Krishna. Mataji, can you mute Mataji? I cannot access, I think, mute everyone. Yeah, okay. So then what they learn, the painted dots on their forehead and cheeks, and learn to paint the doorstep with rice flour paste for special holidays. So we can see that, you know, we used to put gopi dots, right? Nicely. So they learn nicely all these things there, and learn to paint the doorstep with rice flour paste. We see rangoli, right? In the like lines drawing in front of our house, right? So we do sometimes in our festival or something. So they also learn these things from there. And they made flower decorations and drew pictures on cloth. They learned to put colorful stones in valuable rings, necklace, and bracelets. Okay, so they learned so many things there. Now we'll see what else they learn. Okay, and then while swimming with their friend, Krishna and Balram learned to throw water and stone in the rivers and lakes. So they learn these things also. We think that, oh, this is what to learn, like just throwing water and stones. No, everything has an art. Everything is so beautiful in Krishna's pastime that they just learn all the things, you know, in their school. Actually, Krishna know everything before. It's just he wanted to show us that what all he actually was learning in the school. Okay, so they learn, and then it's written that Krishna and Balram, they learn to comb their hair in different styles and how to fix a helmet on their heads. So we see, whenever we see to go to temple, we see Krishna, nice pagdi and nice turban and then nice hairstyle, right? So they learn all these things in his school. And then they learn to act in dramas and to decorate actors on the stage. So all of you also do, right? All these, you do dramas, right? In festivals, and you act as like you decorate yourself as an actor. So Krishna Balram, they were doing the same thing before. And then they even learn how to all kinds of magic tricks and how to make puppet show. They also learn how to read and write, to work out puzzles, crossword puzzles, and how to write stories by drawing pictures. And they learn how to make different kind of drinks and syrups. So they used to learn. They learn these things also, like with all this singing, dancing, painting, drama, decorating, all these things. With that, they actually knew that they learn actually how to make nice kind of drinks and syrups. Okay, and then they learn how to build buildings and how to cut jewels. Okay, they learn to find and plan for making medicines. See what they were doing. They did so many things, like with all the like craft things, and now they are learning all the science and medicine things also. They learn how to teach parrots to talk and answer questions. So see, even like with the animals also, with the birds also, they teach parrots to talk and answer them, and as well as how to speak with other animals and birds and many languages people all over the world. So it's not only like they know only few languages, they know all the languages, so that they can communicate with all the animals. You can see here Krishna is communicating with the cow, and you can see here Krishna is there's deer also.
Mataji, we can't see the next slide. Can you go to next slide?
Oh, I'm already in the next slide, Prabhuji. I don't know why it is not like screen sharing.
You click it on again, Mataji, it will show.
Is it there, Mataji, now?
No, Mataji.
Oh, I don't know why it's like that.
Stop sharing and again start. Now it's there. Now it's there, Mataji. It's there.
Okay.
Maybe it's a few minutes gap, Mataji. That's it. Okay.
Okay, Mataji. Okay. Slide. Okay, so now you can see here Krishna is actually talking with cows. There is deer, there are birds, swan, you know. So actually Krishna learned everything in his school, actually, how to talk with everybody, you know. It's not only one language. There are so many languages to talk with the animals, actually. Krishna knows everything. And then Krishna also learned to tell the future and how to beat demons who were his enemies. Now we are in question answer sessions. All of you can see the slide here. Questions? Yes?
No, Mataji.
No? Oh, Krishna. Like, I don't know.
Now it came. Yeah, it's only a few minutes gap, Mataji. It's moving, okay?
Oh, okay. Mataji.
Now questions are, it's on the question page now.
Okay, then maybe I can do like this. So questions, okay. So kids, be ready for the questions. The first question is, what is name of Krishna's teacher? Yes, correct, correct. Okay, all of you actually give the right answer. That is Sandeepa Muni. Okay. So next question is, what is school name?
Gurukul.
Yes, Sandeepa Muni is Gurukul School. So the name of the school is
Sandeepa Muni's Gurukul School.
correct. Perfect. Okay, in which place school is there?
Ujjain.
Yes. So the place where the school was located is Ujjain. Ujjain. Yes, correct. Okay. So Krishna and Balram sat in the class, and what all they learned from their guru?
Singing.
Actually, just a moment. Actually, Krishna and Balram learned so many things.
Animals.
Yes. Everybody will tell one thing. Okay. Singing, talking to animals. What else?
Playing mridanga.
Tricks. Okay. Playing mridanga.
Instruments.
Okay. Instruments.
Playing the cow.
Talking with cows. Okay. And what else?
Bringing the cow. Gokul.
Gokul. No, I'm asking you what they learn. Like all of you are correct. All whatever they learn. But what more they learn? Drama. Correct.
Brahmana.
Okay, they actually learn to do dramas. First, they learn how to read and write, work on puzzles, crossword puzzles, making medicines. Remember making medicines?
How to build buildings.
How to build? Yes, correct. All of you are correct. Okay, thank you so much, kids, for participating and hearing so nicely the pastime and giving the answers also. So we'll move towards our next part of the session, that is shloka recitation. And Mataji, Anjana Gopika Mataji, please take over the call and can you start?
Mataji, can you go next slide? This is a revision sloka.
Yes,
Can
Mataji.
you-
Is this a slide?
Me Mukunda.
Yes. Okay, kids, we'll just do the revision today. All
Me
the
Mukunda. Me
Okay.
and
yeah, Anna and Mukunda, go ahead first.
Yat karosi yat asnasi yat josi tadati yat yat kuru yat tapasya si konteya tat kuru sa mad arpanam. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you. We start to win. Please, Mataji
And Sanjanavi, Rishikesh, Balaram, Subhadra, I heard. Yeah, Ants go and then Janavi will go.
Satwik. Yat karosit ashna yajuhusi tadasi yat si konteya tat kurushwar madarpanam. Thank you, Mataji. Prahalad.
1 second, Janavi, and then Balaram, Subhadra, Rishikesh. Nice. I heard somebody, and then Prahlad. Okay, yat karosi.
Yat karoti yat sasnasi yat tuhosi talasi yat tatasi tapasyasi konteya tat kurusan mada arpanam
Srishti Sthiti Pralaya.
Sthiti pralaya sadhana vaksire
Saktir.
saktireta chaya vayasya bhuvanani vibhuti durga ichana rupa vapiyasya chate sate sam govinda mari prasanna
Sri Ram Etha Dadi. Sri Ram.
Ram yata dadi विशेषयोगा संजायते नहि तथा पृथगस्ति हेतु या सम्भूतम् अपि तथा समुपैस्ति कार्यत् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि.
Thank you, Jahnavi. I think Rishikesh and then Subhadra.
यत् करोसि यत् आसनासि यत् जहोसि ददासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत् कुरुष्व मदर्पणम्. सृष्टि स्थिति प्रलय साधन शक्तिरेका चाये वयस्य भुवनानि बिभर्ति दुर्गा. इच्छानुरूपमपि यस्य च चेष्टते सा गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. क्षीरं यथा दधि विकार विशेषयोगात् संजायते नहि तथा पृथगस्ति हेतो यशम्भुतामपि तथा समुपैति कार्यात् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Yes, Prahlad, go ahead. Subhadra. Who is this? Subhadra, go ahead. Yeah, Subhadra. And then
इच्छानुरूपमपि यस्य गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. क्षीरं यथा दधि विकार विशेषयोगात् संजायते नहि तथा पृथगस्ति हेतो यशम्भुतम् अपि तथा समुपैति कार्यात् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि.
okay, okay, Prahlad, Satvik, Leela. Prahlad, go ahead and the Satvik.
साधन शक्ति रेखा चाये वयस्य भुवनानि बिभर्ति दुर्गा. इच्छा निरूप अपि यस्य तेसा गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. क्षीरं यथा तदि विकार विशेषयोगात् संजायते नहि तथा पृथगस्ति हेतो यशम्भुतामि अपि तत् समुपैति कार्यात् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. यत् करोषि यदश्नासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत् कुरुष्व मदर्पणम्. Thank you, Mataji.
Satvik, go ahead, Satvik.
यत् करोसि यज्ञासि यज्जुषि ददासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तकृष मत अपनम. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much.
Vrinda Shreya Shri Hari Vrinda Mataji.
Okay, one by one. Okay, Shreya Shri Hari Vedantaram and then Vrinda. I heard another name also.
Leela, go ahead.
Vrinda.
Mataji, Leela.
Yeah, Leela, go ahead.
Yes, Karoshi Kushi Tadashi Yataspasyasi Kaunteya Natarasha Adasvana. Thank you, Shreya Shri Hari.
Thank you, Leela. Yes, Shreya Shri Hari Vedantaram. Shreya Shri Hari, go first.
Yakarosi Yadashnashi Yakarosi Dadasi Yatkoshi Yatapasyasi Kaunteya Tattakurana Shishtistiti Pranasadana Shatika Chayena Yasya Bhunani Vibhati Durga Ichani Rupa Apiyasya Chachisa Govindamani Purusam Tamaham Badami Shriram Yatami Vikaya Vishisha Yoga Sanjaya Yuchena Nahi Tata Vita Asti Heto Yashambhupati Ati Putavi Sampiti Karya Govindamani Pashantam Chami. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Shreya and Sherry. You really did good job. Vedant, go ahead.
Yadya Karoshi Yadasnasi Yajadoshi Dadasi Yat Tapasi Kaunteya Tat Kuruswa Mararpanam. Thank you, Mataji. Me Vendra.
Tapasya, okay? Who is this?
Me Vendra.
Brinda, go ahead, Brinda.
Yad Kurushi Yadasnasi Yad Kurushi Yadasi Yat Tapasi Kaunteya Tat Kuruswa
Thank you, Brinda. Anybody is there who want to recite the sloka? Any sloka? Yes, Brinda, go ahead.
Shristi.
Shri Pralaya Sadhana Shakti Rekha Shaye Vayasya Bhuvanani Vibharti Durga Ichhani Rupa Priyasya Jatesta Chesa Govindamari Bharasha Tamam Bhajavi Shriram Yata Dahi Vikar Yoga Hayate Mahi Tata Tutagasti Tu Yasamuta Pittata Samubhayati Kalya Govindamari Purushatamam Bhajami.
Yat karo se. Faster.
Yadashnasi Yajuyosi Yadiyat Yat Tapassasi Kaunteya Tat Kurushvavata.
Thank you so much, Brinda. So nicely you recite the sloka. Anybody is there who want to try this sloka? Any of this? Okay, fine. One sloka also. And also, kids, please join the kids presentation on Sunday. We also recite all the slokas, rhymes, what did you learn in this whole week in Sunday presentation. Thank you so much, everyone. Mataji, Asrilila Mataji, please take over the call, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji, and thank you, kids, for reciting so nicely the shloka. So we'll go to our next part of the session, the Hare Krishna tune. So we can we'll invite Mataji, Sarojanandini Mataji. Mataji, please take over the call.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna, kids. So let's just repeat one time the Hare Krishna tune, both variations. So please repeat after me.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Please repeat.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
So let's do the second Krishna, Krishna, Krishna,
Hare
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. I will have one, two, three, four.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Okay, kids who did not get a chance to sing.
Me Mukunda,
Okay, is there anybody who did not get a chance to sing Hare Krishna?
Mukunda.
Okay, Mukunda. Yeah, Mukunda, go ahead, please.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mukunda. Yes, Raghav. Go
Miss Lila.
ahead. And then Sri Leela. Raghav, go ahead, please.
Krishna, Hare Hare. Don't go to Raga.
Thank you, Raghav. Okay, Sri Leela and then Jahnavi. Sri Leela, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Sri Leela. Yeah, Jahnavi, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Jahnavi. Anybody else? Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Vrinda.
Vrinda wants to go. Mataji, can you all hear my voice?
Yes. Yes, please, Vrinda, go ahead.
Mataji, can you repeat me? Yeah, Mataji.
Okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna,
Krishna, come on, sing that tune only.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Mataji, second variation.
Me Vrinda.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Walking
horse with a walking chair. Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. That was so sweet. Yes, Vrinda, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Vrinda. Anybody else? Shreya and Srihari, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
I want Mataji to repeat.
Ask Mataji for help.
Can you repeat, Mataji?
Mataji, can you please help him?
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you.
Mataji.
Thank you, Shri and Shri Hari. Anybody else?
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Yes, Rishikesh, please go ahead.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Rishikesh. Anybody else? Okay, we are quite late anyway, so we will continue next week with a new rhyme. Thank you all kids for singing so beautifully. Ashay Radha Mataji, please take over the call. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Singing so nicely. Today we have Shyama Supriya Mataji is there.
Yes, Mataji. Ashray Mataji. I'm
Yes,
here.
Mataji. So I will stop sharing this.
Mataji, I made you co-host. You can share the screen.
Okay, so I'm stop sharing, Mataji. You can share your slides then.
Sure.
Leela.
Mataji, sure.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. One minute, Mataji. I'm opening.
Kids who joined today, welcome to Damodar sessions. Thank you so much for joining in. Please do join daily. We have Monday to Thursday, okay? I've heard so many kids join today new. Thank you so much.
I'm opening Mataji's slide. I got it. So, Mataji, are you able to see?
No.
No, Mataji.
No, okay. Wait, Mataji. One minute, Mataji. Now, Mataji.
No, Mataji. We could not see you. Yeah, you can. You are co-host. Yes. Yeah.
Now, are you able to see Mataji?
No, Mataji. I don't know. For me, I am not seeing Mataji.
Okay, wait, Mataji. I'll again share.
Nobody's seeing Mataji.
Yes.
Until then, who joined new, can they announce their names? Today is the first class, so many kids I see. Can they tell their names until Mataji get ready with their slide?
Mataji, which class is this?
Mehika, right? You know this is Damodar group. Damodar class.
Leela. Now Leela Amrita slide.
Okay.
Ramanesh, welcome to the group. See many other new kids.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
What's your
Ramanesh.
name?
Ramanesh.
Hare Krishna, Ramanesh.
Quite. Hare Krishna. Welcome.
Hare
Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Thank you for joining, Damodar.
Mataji, now still not able to see?
No, Mataji.
Okay. I'm seeing in the Zoom, but you're not able to see. Okay. Okay, Mataji, so I think I have to see again what is the problem, why it is stopping sharing. So, okay, I'll continue from next week, Mataji.
Or you can ask some of the question, Mataji, to the kids, and then you can in the.
Okay, okay, sure. Okay, kids. So now can you tell, we will revise a short bit of our Leelamrita sessions. So who is the guru of Abhay Charan?
Bhaktivedanta Swami. Bhaktivedanta.
Yes, good job. Then what is Bhakti Siddhanta's childhood name?
Bhima Prasad. Bhima Prasad.
Awesome.
Bhima Prasad.
Prasad, yes.
Prasad.
Very good. So where he was born? Which place? Which place he was born?
Who, Mataji? Bhakti Siddhanta?
Yes.
Puri.
Yes, Jagannath Puri.
Jagannath Puri.
Yes,
Jagannath
awesome.
Puri.
Yes, very good, kids. Okay, now can you tell father's name of Bhakti Siddhanta?
Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Bhakti Vinod Thakur.
Yes, yes.
Bhaktivedanta Thakur.
Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Okay, so can anybody tell some, can you remember any short stories of Bhakti Siddhanta when he was like Bimal Prasad, and how he was, there is a little story, how from childhood onwards he was having a very good relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, how he was very much attached to the name.
He ate mango. He never eats the mango, and he didn't offer it to Krishna.
Ah, awesome, awesome. Who is this?
And he never eat the whole life.
Yes, very true. Who is this? Can I know?
Jahnavi.
Jahnavi. Oh, so sweet of you, Jahnavi. So sweet. Awesome. Yes, Jahnavi. At childhood once, he did not offer the mangoes to the Lord, and by accidentally he ate it.
Because he didn't know that he was supposed to show to the Supreme Lord.
Yes, yes, Srilila. Yes, Jahnavi, Srilila. Very good. So from that time, he has taken a vow that he will not eat mangoes throughout his life.
Before he's showing to Krishna.
Yes, we have to show Krishna whatever
First.
we eat, then we have to take it as Mahaprasadam, right?
Because Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, so we always have to feed him first.
Yes, Srilila, yes. Thank you so much, Janvi and Srilila, for your awesome answers. Then we are moving on to, okay, can anybody guess what is the meaning of Abhay Charanaravinda? Abhay Charanaravinda.
Fearless.
I take the shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Haha, Mihika, is it right?
Yes.
Shelter of the fearless.
Ah, one who is fearless and has taken the shelter of Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lotus feet. Yes. Who is another one? Who is the other one who answered with Mihika?
Jahnavi.
Jahnavi. Super, Jahnavi. Super. Yes. Thank you so much. Then now we will move on to, can you tell the sister's name of Abhay Charan?
Bhavatarini.
Yes, Bhavatharini. And can you share some sweet pastimes of Srila Prabhupada with his sister? How they played?
Kites.
Uh-huh. They
And
played kites, right?
they also put Moku on the ground.
No, Mugu. Yeah, they played kites. They played,
Jagannath Yatra.
Jagannath Yatra. Yes. Some more.
They feed Krishna.
Yes, they played with Krishna toys. They imitate how they do the puja to the deities.
And they help
They worship.
Yes, they worship.
They worship Radha Krishna.
Yes, yes.
And they feed Radha and Krishna, take them a bath and feed them every day and wash them.
Yes. Okay. So very good. Very good, kids. You answered very
Take the
nice.
shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Yes. From childhood, they both usually play very well. They do all these things from childhood itself. So very well, kids. You did very good job in Leelamrita. You answered awesome. So for today, it is going very late now. It's like almost 6. So for today, we will stop here. And from next Thursday, I will try to fix this problem and we will continue our Leelamrita session. Okay, kids? So thank you so much, kids.
Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Shri Leela. Ashray Mataji, please take over the class, Mataji.
Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Mataji. And thank you, kids, for joining. Let's end our class for today and by saying Vaishnav Pranam Mantra all together.
Thank you, Mataji.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki